everyone, Anke here with a new Challenge Friday layout and process video for Hepkit Club. My August kits finally arrived and so I can create my first layout with these beautiful papers and embellishments. Today's layout is based on the September mood board created by Sophie Delorme, and I was also asked to use lots of alphabet stickers. I start with cutting out a circle from the Wikibootin Color Story Floral Study paper, glue it on my cardstock and add some machine stitching. Then I fussy cut blossoms and leaves from the same paper and arrange them on both sides of my photo. add my title. As I mentioned before, I was asked to use lots of alphabet stickers, so it will be a long title placed around the paper circle. The orange alphabet stickers, which are included in the August main kit, match the color of the paper and my photo perfectly. I pick out one of the Amy Tangerine Brave and Bold cardstock stickers, which you can find in the August Pocket Life kit, one of the Amy Tangerine Brave and Bold Be Bold phrase stickers and 2 flowers from the August main kit, and add them to the floral clusters. Orange and white color splatters. Therefore I use acrylic paint, which I mixed with water, and a paintbrush. Inspired by the picture with the peeled paint on the mood board, I ripped off a bit of the cardstock on top and bottom of the page and back it with pieces of the floral study paper. continue embellishing the layout with a sunglass die cut from the Simple Stories Sun-Kissed Bits and Pieces ephemera pack, which is included in the August main kit, and more Amy Tangerine stickers. I also add 2 of the Prima Marketing vellum butterflies, which you can find in the August Pocket Life kit. To give the layout the final touch, I add some of the Prima Marketing Nature Lover adhesive gems. Here you can see the finished layout. I hope you enjoyed watching the process and feel inspired to play along and create a mood board based layout too. Thanks for joining me today.